Hello everyone, my name is Alaa and today I'm going to talk about the functions of upper limb angiology. So first of all, what is our objectives for today? We're going to talk about the functions of the angiology, which is the arteries, veins and lymphatic nodes and lymphatic vessels, and we're going to know all of these. So first of all, as I mentioned, what is the angiology? In the upper limb, we have arteries, we have veins, and we have lymphatic vessels and lymphatic nodes. So first of all, what is the function of arteries? As we know, arteries takes the oxygenated blood from the heart, and it take that blood and supply it to the upper limb. So the function of it is it works as a supplement of the oxygenated and rich blood and nutrition to muscles of the upper limb. So it brings the oxygenated blood and the blood which is rich in nutrition. So the main arteries in the upper limb, we have the subclavian artery, we have the axillary artery, we have the bronchial artery and the radial artery, and also the ulnar artery. And here we can see the function pretty obvious. So the oxygenated blood is in the heart, so it will be taken from the arteries, and it will firstly be out of the heart from the aorta, and from the aorta it will go to bronchial cephalic trunk, and then to the right subclavian artery, and from that it will enter the upper limb area, which is the arm area, and then it will go to the right axillary artery, and from that to the right bronchial artery, and the right bronchial artery will divide to two arteries, which is the right radial artery and the right ulnar artery, and from that it will goes to the digital arteries, which is in the hand area. Now let's talk about the veins. What is the function of the veins in the upper limb? Veins will drain the blood from the skin and superficial fascia. And we also have two types of the veins. We have the superficial veins and we have the deep veins, which is pretty similar in the function. And so the superficial veins will drain the blood from the skin and superficial fascia, and the deep veins will drain the blood but from the deeper fascia and muscles and bones. So what we have here, what we have deep veins. What is the types of deep veins in the upper limb? We have the bronchial veins. We also have the radial vein and the palmar venous arch. And about the superficial veins, we have the cephalic superficial vein, we have the digital superficial vein, and we also have the basalic superficial vein. Now let's talk about the lymphatic vessels in the upper limb. So as we know, lymphatic vessels will play a role in the immune defense, and it's also drain the tissue fluid and plasma proteins and other cellular fibers back into the bloodstream, and yeah, it's involved in the immune system. So about the nodes. So talking about the lymphatic vessels, we have the cephalic lymphatic vessel, and about the nodes in the upper limb, we have the axillary nodes, and we also have the cubital nodes, which all works together to provide the function of the lymphatic vessels and the lymphatic nodes. And yeah, that's what I have for today. Thank you for listening.